It's a great pleasure for me to invite you all to the 5th ISBSP 2021 International Social Business Summer Program 2021 at Daffodil International University, one of the finest universities in Bangladesh, from August 14 to 18. Since we are in a pandemic crisis, so we are on virtual platform, and this is the second time or second edition on virtual platform we are organizing. Now I welcome you all to the course Social Business for Sustainable Development. It is a part of this ISBSP 2021. Yes, we are living in a world, and to me it is a business world. We are establishing a lot of business organizations for our development and sustainable development, but in my experience I can say that our traditional business organizations don't comply with all the requirements of sustainable development. And probably social business, it is a self-blessed dimension of business, can be more contributing to sustainable development than traditional business. I am so happy that when I see there are so many young stars, young individuals having interest in social business. They want to be involved in social business, but my point is that just having a sweet dream and sweet will in their mind and starting a social business is not enough. To establish a social business, first of all, we must have a serious determination. Then we will have to have a thorough and clear understanding about social business. So in this ISBSP 2021, we will be covering all the aspects of social business so that any participant can undertake a social business, can implement a social business in a pragmatic manner. So I would like to highlight the few aspects of this course. I mean, social business for sustainable development. Say in this course, and there are a good number of sessions. I mean, class lectures, and these sessions will cover all the basic aspects of social business. Say understanding of social business plan development, social business marketing, finance, and managerial aspects of social business. And then you'll be having some virtual field visits. So you'll be visiting all the successful social business initiatives in our country, in Bangladesh. You can get hands-on experience from all these visits. Then definitely we'll be having some breakout sessions, and there must be some teamworks. You'll be working in different teams, and you'll be given different assignments, different thoughts, and you'll be working on different business plans in different teams. And we'll be having a session on Social Business Design Lab, where you'll be developing your social business plan. You'll be presenting this plan before the experts. You'll be having the experts' opinion on your social business, and you can tune your social business plan. And then we'll be having panel discussion. And in the panel discussion, we'll be having some distinguished academics and industry experts who are running and leading all the successful social business initiatives. And finally, we'll be having a master class. And in the master class, we are going to have the one and only Nobel laureate in our country, Professor Mohammad Yunus. So he will be taking a master class with all of you. So you may have a lot of discussions and interactions with Professor Yunus. So they are the major issues we will be covering in this course. Social business for sustainable development. By participating in this program, you will be having a good number of benefits. Firstly, definitely you will be having a clear and thorough understanding about social business, and you will be getting certificate, and you will be having a transcript, because on the basis of your activities, we will go for thorough evaluation, and on the basis of the evaluation, you will be your performance will be measured, and you will be given grades. And it is a 3-credit program, and this credit will be given by our university, Daffodil International University, and this credit will be accepted by different universities in your country and across the world. So these are the few aspects of this course and this program. I hope you will enjoy. Happy learning. Stay safe and blessed. Thank you so much.